They're getting lower and lower. We're down to one pile. We're gonna try to level this spot up for him. He's on the way with some material now, so they get started in the morning. Well, we got it pretty well leveled, but look at her, boy. There she is on the trailer. There's our new shop. Heck yeah. So we got it down to one pile, and we'll be out here pretty late getting that one burnt down so they can start putting it up tomorrow. They starting at 7 in the morning. Check her out. You can see it. That's a 40-foot trailer loaded down. Now we just got to get this to burn. It's been all day. We got some flat ground though. We're gonna feed it with diesel fuel all night and see if we can't get it going. What make a fire burn blue? I think we got a propane line out here. What is that? Huh, pretty. It's pretty blue. Leave in the comments, because I ain't got a clue. Alright, it is 9:30. We've been out here for, since what, 7 this morning cleaning? I ain't doing the math, but it's been all day. But I think we got her whipped. I think they can get poles in tomorrow. So we'll sign off. We'll start back tomorrow and they start putting poles in the ground. Oh, they're on it. Had a little bit of a delay. Had a flat tire this morning, but they got here. Doing a fine job. They've already got it squared up. Looking good. Oh, it's exciting. Y'all watched this. We've outgrown this shop and that booth. We got a 40 by 84 getting put up. They are cutting up, boy. They are getting it. Them guys don't play. Exciting times. While they're doing that, we're gonna take this 87 C30 Custom Deluxe. We're gonna make a show-winning pig out of it. 454. Somebody took the EF out, put a carburetor. 4-speed manual. We're gonna get Johnny to stitch us up a slick seat for it. Here's the idea. She is a camper special. You can tell by the little camper bob. So what do you think about get rid of the stripes, do burnt orange? It's got a dually bed that's gonna go on it. We'll do a solid burnt orange truck. We'll put aluminum wheels on it. Interior all black, except where the seat cushion parts is, it'll be like orange houndstooth. I think it'll kill her. Kind of get an idea of the scale of it. We still got a stump we gotta grind. My goodness. And still smoking. Yeah, we're going to get that in the ground or something. Yeah. Yeah, finally. Man, that's big.
If you think luck is involved in achievement, you'll never make it.
We didn't get to film this morning like I wanted to. We had a bunch of stuff going on. We got the trusses up. Looks great. Can't wait to see it with a 10 on it.
There's a saying, success is never owned, it's rented. And the rent, it's due every day.
We trying to get the stripe off. We have fixed the dings. Had to cut this section out from say here down. Replace that cab corner. Just got our mud on it, got it slick. Got a hole there we're going to remedy. And it looks like we're going to buy some pans. We got them up and somebody put some patch panels screwed down and I hate that. It needs to look like you never replaced a pan. It needs to look good top and bottom. So we'll get a pan and get that one cut out and new one popped in. But aside from that, we're looking good. Got another fender. We'll end up replacing that one. Check the shop out though. So you're cruising right along. We'll sneak a peek at it. Moving right along with it.
The last few pieces up. It's looking good.
There it is. They put that big joker up in 3 days. It's 40 by 84 with 14-foot walls. And that ought to hold Chevelles and Super Bs and Impala SS's just right and have plenty of room around it. We're going to pour concrete next. That may be just a little ways down the road, but we still got to move some dirt and whatnot. But get some concrete put in it, get our walls stood up. We're going to build an office off the front over there and make it like an old gas station in the front. We start taking pictures of our cars underneath it. I'm proud of it. And the size is, it's big. I know the camera may not do it justice, but it's a big building.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
All right, so here's my thoughts. There's another, it's 20 feet on the other side of that van down there, right? My thoughts is we put a, let me back this up. Oh, now can you see? There, maybe you see that. All right. We put a 20-foot door on a roller so we can slide 20 foot out of the way, and we line the cars up on this wall. So we could have like 69 Super B, 55 Bel Air, 63 Super Sport, 72 442, 70 Chevelle, Roadrunner. There's room for a Mustang or two in there. And we leave this whole bay here open